Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your banner on the PUBG Mobile application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and then tap on this profile icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on it and then click on your avatar at the top of the screen in the middle. Tap on change avatar down below on the right side. Click on banner in this right side column, which is the second option, and here you can find the flag list. So you can select your banner. All you have to do is tapping on the relevant one and click on the OK button. As you can see, it has been updated and changed, so you will be able to find it next to your avatar. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.